If you need to block someone on WorldRemit, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account remains secure and your transactions are safe. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the WorldRemit website or app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to your contacts. Once logged in, go to the Contacts or Recipients section where you can view the list of people you have interacted with. Step 3. Select the person to block. Find the individual you wish to block from your contacts list. Click on their name or profile to access their details. Step 4. Choose the block option. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm the action. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to block this person. Confirm your choice to complete the process. By following these steps, you can quickly block someone on WorldRemit, ensuring your account remains secure. If you have further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to WorldRemit's customer support.